Let's go to your bedroom. Three. Hi everyone, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today, we have here a modern single-story home for sale here in Angeles City, located at a very secured subdivision near Clark International Airport, international schools, and also yung mga commercial area sa Koreantown. Tara! On this side, meron kang two carport for your vehicles. Kahit pa 4x4 siya is kasha. Now, this gate naman or door is your access going to your swimming pool. Pero mamaya, doon na tayo pumasok sa loob. Ayan. And also, kung napansin nyo, meron na siyang naka-install na CCTV doon. Naka-pin lights lang yung carport natin. On this side, I wanna show you kasi naka-landscape na area na siya. This is your setback from this house sa another property. Ang ganda lang ng pagkaka-ayos nito because gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kung gaano siya ka-aliwalas. Ayan. Maganda lang yung gantong may drainage kasi di ba pag umulan, may drainage agad. And then also may mga plants na rin surrounded. And then this side is your access going to your helpers area, staff, and then auxiliary kitchen. Let's go back sa main entrance. Bago tayo pumasok, I want to show you lang, meron siyang glass panel dito. This used for bago nyo buksan yung lock ng doors nyo, makikita nyo na kung sino yung gustong pumasok. Ayan, tara, pasok tayo. And then your door is a solid wood also, and then pivot na siya. Ayan, tara. Ayan. This is a single story, pero as you can see, ang taas ng ceiling niya. Sobrang above standard siya. Ang aliwalas ng tignan. Let's start from your living area. You get this sofa set na. This is 4-seater. You have here 2 single-seater. You have your center table. Also window na merong view ng sariling swimming pool. That's for later. On your living room, meron na kayong included na 55-inch TV, own ACU unit dito sa living area lang. And then yung window na yan, that it helps to give you natural light sa maghapon. Kaya kahit no need na yung buksan yung mga pin lights sa ceiling. Now, this area is your 6-seater dining table. Ang ganda ng pagka-wood niya. Yan. Also, naka-tempered glass na rin. Sa ceiling, you have this gorgeous chandelier. Also, dito sa dining area, meron din sariling AC. Ayan. Diba? Ang aliwalas. Ang aliwalas. Now, this house pala stands at 300 square meters. Your floor area is 270 square meters. Kaya, diba? So, you can see, sana nakikita nyo kung gaano siya kalaki. Moving to your next area is your kitchen. Ang laki din ng kitchen. You get this 2-door fridge. Meron na kayong sink dito. Dito naman yung induction cooker nyo na meron na siyang included na range hood yan. Now, yung mga cabinets natin is, pakita ko lang sa inyo na soft close siya. Right here is your bar counter, serving table, or breakfast area. Meron din siyang mga cabinets here to keep your wines, other utensils, mga plates. Also, ito din. Yung drop lights dito sa breakfast area now. Now, this door is your access to your auxiliary kitchen. Fully equipped na rin yung auxiliary kitchen natin. Meron tayong 4-burner stove included na yan. May sarili din siyang range hood, sink, shelves, and cabinets para sa mga stocks natin. Kung gusto natin, malinis lang yung auxiliary natin. This door is your maid's quarter and then also yung utility area. Diyan na yung laundry area nyo. Ayan. Meron na ding sariling toilet and bathroom. Maid's quarter natin. Pero wag na nating buksan. Ayan. Balik tayo dito. Meron pang isang door dito na gusto ko pakita sa inyo. Ayan. Now, this door is yung access ng helper kapag namalengke sila, diba? So, hindi na sila dadaan dun sa main living room nyo. Dito na din agad sila didiretso. Ayan, balik na tayo sa main living room natin. Now, next area is your own swimming pool. Ayan, tara! Let's refresh. Ayan, as you can see, meron pa rin tayong space dito para sa outdoor table and chairs. Now, this door is, dito nakalagay yung pump ng dipping pool. Ang maganda pa sa dipping pool na to, you don't need to go in pa para mag-shower kasi meron na siyang outdoor shower, and then also, meron din siyang sariling toilet. Diba? Ang ganda. So, hindi mo babasa dun sa living area natin. Meron pa siyang fountain dyan. Ayan, balik na tayo sa common area natin. As you can see, ang ganda ng pagka-layout ng dining area kasi very accessible yung mga bisita or your family na lang na mag-serve ka ng food for them. Also kasi behind your camera is yung kitchen na, di ba? Ang dali lang mag-serve sa kanila. Now, let's start to check yung mga bedrooms ng bahay nito. We have 3 bedrooms dito sa single story na bahay. Now, let's start to your bedroom 1. Bedroom 1, you have here ceiling pin lights, own ACU units, this floor-to-ceiling, blackout curtains with sheer curtains. You have this bed frame na din with queen-size mattress. And then on this side, meron kang sariling vanity. Nakikita ba? Meron din siyang mirror, syempre. Your cabinets as well. Enough space para sa mga clothes niyo pa. And then, malawak pa siya. Now, bedroom 2 is just right here. Pasukin ko ulit. Para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung space. Again, same treatment sa bedroom 1. You have pin lights, floor-to-ceiling, black curtains with sheer curtains. You have your own ACU unit as well. And then, meron ka ring bed frame, queen-size mattress. This side is your vanity area. And then, cabinets as well. Ang lawak pa ng space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng other personal things pag na-acquire nyo yung bahay na to. Now, this door, since hindi ko na-mention na meron sila ensuite toilet and bath, ito yung shared toilet and bath ng bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Let's go to your bedroom number 3, also your master's bedroom. Oh, by the way, you can acquire this house through cash or bank financing. Ganun din yung mga previous house tour natin. If you have any other questions, you can call my number to discuss how to acquire a property. Call my number flashing on your screen. Welcome to your master's bedroom. Everything you see is included on the sale. Right here, you get the chandelier, own ACU unit for your master's bedroom, floor-to-ceiling height na curtains. Now, on this side, you get this king size na bed with mattress also. And then, nilagay nila ng accent wall na PVC yung headboard. Also, this pendant light here. Ito yung pag gusto mo magbasa sa gabi, di ba? Sila lang yung i-on mo. Master's bedroom, meron ng ensuite, toilet, and bath. Welcome to your master's bedroom, toilet, and bath. You have here your walk-in closet. This area is your vanity with LED. Ang ganda. Now, this side is your enclosed shower and bath. This side is your sink. LED na rin yung mirror niya. Now, this area is your water closet. And then that's it. I want to do a recap for this house. This is a single-story modern home for sale here in Angeles City with a lot area of 300 square meters, floor area of 270 with 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 2 carport with your own swimming pool, plus 1 maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. Now, to ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with the licensed broker and accredited salesperson. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you at our next video.